I love how encouraging it is because you're basically saying throw your name in the hat. You never know when it's going to be called, right? And you also said it's important to establish your expertise. But let's say someone doesn't have a medical degree or they're not a dermatologist. What's another way they can establish authority, credibility, expertise?
It depends on what it is, right? And I'm going to speak to something right now that I think I may a lot of what I hear a lot of people who I know who like start beauty brands or who want to start beauty brands. I know a lot start in the home, a lot start in the kitchen. One thing I think is very important, especially if you don't have any backing, is to have that story and to have an aesthetic. Those two things, I think, if you are just independent working alone, will take you very far. Because one thing is that editors like things that look pretty because we might have to photograph them either for a story or for our own social media. Like there are some products that I have just because they look nice. And if I want to do like shoot some like little silly social thing, it's there. So if it looks, make sure it looks nice and also have a cool, I think a cool story always gets me. And I think a lot of brand owners need to like really be honest with yourself because at the end of the day, there are a lot of beauty products, there are a lot of brands, and they're all making the same stuff. Somebody telling me, oh, I just came up with this new, I don't know, this new body oil. And this body oil is something that I got inspired to make because, you know, during the pandemic, I was in my house and I had all these olives lying around and I just took the oil from the olives and mixed it with, you know, some lavender essence. And now I have this wonderful revolutionary product that all my friends love. Baby, there are about 1,000 body oils. What, like, come on. A lot of this stuff is not unique. So you got to make it unique. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You just need to put some rims on it. You know? So